Hello students, how are you? Again welcome to my class. Now today we will discuss about International System of Numeration. My dear students, International System has many periods such as ones, thousand, millions, billions, trillions and so on. Ones period has three places, that is ones, tens, hundred. Thousand period has three places, that is thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period has three places, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Now likewise billions period has three places. Now trillions period has three places. In International System of Numeration, every period has in three places. Okay. Suppose you have one number 365428. How can you read and write this number according to International System of Numeration? My dear students, as you are looking, this is 365428. How can you read and write this number? So, according to Indian place value system, we will apply first step. What is your first step? We will put the comma. In International System of Numeration, we will put the comma after three digits, as you are looking. This is 365428. So first we will put the comma after three digits, as you are looking. First comma after three digits, next comma after three digits and so on. And now look here, then after we will take out the place value of each digit in this given number. We will take out the place value of each digits in this number. Now look here, first we will discuss about place value of 3. As you are looking, this is 365428. So this number we will arrange in this table. How? Look here. This is 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 4 is in 100 place, 5 is in thousand place, 6 is in 10,000 place, and 3 is in 100,000 place. Okay. So first we will discuss about what is the place value of 3. Place value of 3 is 3 is in which place? 100,000. So 3 multiplied by 100,000. Okay. Now look here, ones, tens, 100, and this is 1000. Place value of 3 is 3 into 100,000. It will give to you 300,000. Again, place value of 6. 6 is in 10,000 place. Place value of 6 will be 6 into 10,000. It will give to you 60,000. Again, 5 is in thousand place. Place value of 5 will be 5 into 1000. It will give to you 5,000. Okay. Again, 4 is in 100 place. Place value of 4 will be 4 into 100. It will give to you 400. Again, 2 is in tens place. So place value of 2 will be 2 into 10. It will give to you 20. 8 is in ones place. So place value of 8 will be 8 into 1. It will give to you 8. Okay. And after adding all these numbers, you will get the original number, that is 365428. Okay. So this is the place value of each digit in the given number. Again, now what is your object? How can you read and write this number? So we will discuss. Again, my dear students, how can you read and write this number according to International System of Numeration? My dear students, as you are looking in this table, this is ones period. Okay, this is ones period, this is thousand period, and this is millions period. Okay, so 365, that means 365. 365 is in which group? 365 is in thousand period. 365 is in thousand period, and 428 is in ones period. So how can you read and write this number? Now look here. This number we can write 300 365 365,000 365,400 428. Okay, 365,428. Okay, so this is the one example about International System of Numeration. Again, my dear students, this is one more question to you. This is 7452283. Okay, 7452283. What is your question? How can you read and write this number according to International System of Numeration? Okay, so for this question, what is your first step? Your first step is we will put the comma after 3 digits. Now look here. First comma, my dear students, first comma we will put after 3 digits. Now look here. This is 7452283. First comma after 3 digits, second comma after 3 digits, as you are looking. Then after we will arrange this number in this table, which is depend on the International System of Numeration. So look here, This is 3, 8, 2, 2, 5, 4, and this is 7. Now look here. So what we are looking, in this number each digit is in different places. In this number each digits is in different places. 3 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 2 is in hundred place, again 2 is in thousand place, 5 is in 10,000 place, 4 is in 100,000 place, 7 is in millions place. Again I am saying 3 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 2 is in hundred place, 2 is in thousand place, 5 is in 10,000 place, 4 is in 100,000 place, and 7 is in million place. Okay, then after we will take out the place value of each digits in this number. So my dear students, first we will take out place value of 7. Now look here. Place value of 7 will be, 7 is in which place? Millions place. So 7 into 7 multiplied by 1 million. How? Look here. Now look here. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then after million. 7 multiplied by 1 million. So you will get 7 million. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. Place value of 7 is 7 million. Again, we will discuss about place value of 4. Four is in which place? 100,000 place. So 4 multiplied by 100,000. Now look here. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Place value of 4 will be 4 into 100,000. It will give to you 400,000. Okay. Then after we will take out place value of 5. Place value of 5 will be 5 into 5 is in 10,000 place. So 5 multiplied by 10,000, it will give to you 50,000. Okay. Then after place value of 2. Two is in thousand place. So 2 multiplied by 1000. It will give to you 2000. Okay. Again, we will take out place value of 2. Two is in 100 place. 2 multiplied by 100. It will give to you 200. Okay. Again, we will take out place value of 8. Place value of 8 will be 8 is in tens place, so 8 multiplied by 10, it will give to you 80. Okay. Then after we will take out place value of 3. Place value of 3. 3 is in ones place, so 3 multiplied by 1, it will give to you 3. Okay. Then after we will add all these numbers. Then we will get 7, 4, 5, 2, 2, 8, 3. 7, 4, 5, 2, 2, 8, 3. After finding out the place value of each digit in this number, we will add all these product. Then after we will get the given number. Which number is given? That sum will be there. 7, 4, 5, 2, 2, 8, 3. This is 7, 4, 5, 2, 2, 8, 3. Okay. Then after, what is your next step? How can you read and write this number? Now look here. Again, my dear students, how can you read and write this number? So, after taking out the place value, we can write this number according to International System of Numeration as 7 is in which place? Millions place. So what can you write? 7 million 7,452 is in which periods? 1000 periods. So 7 million 452 thousands 7,452,283. Okay, so this is the International System of Numeration. What you are looking, this number you can read and write 7 million 7 millions 452,283. 7 millions 452,283. Okay. Again, my dear students, you have one more number 7892192. 7892192. How can you read and write this number? Okay, so what will you do? Now look here. What is your first step? We will put the comma after 3 digits. Now look here. First comma after 3 digits, second comma after 3 digits. In international system has we will put the comma after three digits. Okay, after three places. Now this number we will arrange in the given table. Now look here, 2 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 0 is in hundred place, 1 is in thousand place, 2 is in 10,000 place, 9 is in 100,000 place, 8 is in millions place, and 7 is in 10 million place. Okay, then after we will write this number according to international system of numeration. As you are looking, this is 78. 78 means 78. 78 means 78. 78 is in millions group. So how can you write? Now look here. 78 millions, 78 millions, 921. This is 921. Is in which period? 1000 period. So 78 millions 900 921. $921,000, 78 million 921,000. 092 means 92. 92. Clear? This number you can write 78 millions 921,092. Okay, my dear students, all these questions depend on your book for explanation. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.